Oh, that was a good movie.
Oh yeah.
Did you watch this one?
No, I haven't seen it.
It's good.
Is it?
Nice action.
Cool.
Exciting the plane was crashing at one point, so of course on a plane.
They should be playing movie on a plane.
But whatever.
Wow. Yeah, watching movies are great for killing time on long flights like this.
Yeah. That's all I do is just watch a bunch of movies.
So are you getting off at LA or where are you headed to?
Oh yeah. Well, actually, I had to transfer in Shanghai.
Okay.
Because that was a cheaper flight.
That's what I do every time.
Yeah. So, I'm getting off in LA. Sorry. Oh, I already got jet lag.
Yeah. Well, the time difference always messes me up.
Yeah.
Especially crossing the Pacific.
Yeah.
Right?
But you said, am I getting off in LA? I'm transferring again in LA
okay.
because I'm going to San Francisco.
Oh, nice.
So 2 transfers today.
Oh, wow, that's a long journey.
Today, it's gonna be within 2 days, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Are you getting off in LA?
Yeah, and then I'll be spending a week in LA actually. I've never been there before, so I'm really excited.
Oh, okay, cool. So what do you do? What's your job?
I do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, like music. So I've got some music production company connections in LA. So
oh, cool. That's good.
Yeah.
So you're kind of half on business, half...
And a little bit of pleasure as well, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it should be pretty interesting.
Cool.